In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify products to a Facebook catalog. This is a fantastic way to expand your e-commerce reach by making your products available to a broader audience on Facebook and Instagram. Let's dive into the details and walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a seamless integration. First things first, we need to establish a connection between your Shopify store and Facebook, as well as Instagram. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll navigate to the Settings section and then select Apps and Sales Channels. This is your gateway to the Shopify App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you'll want to search for the Facebook and Instagram app. It's a powerful tool that bridges your stores on these platforms with Shopify, so go ahead and install it. As you follow the installation prompts, you'll be asked to connect your existing Facebook and Instagram accounts. Remember, it's essential to have admin access to your Facebook business account and page to proceed smoothly. During this step, you might also get a prompt to enable enhanced data sharing. This feature helps ensure that your data tracking is more accurate and reliable, an important aspect for effectively managing your sales and ads. With the setup completed, it's time to publish your products to the Facebook catalog. Once your accounts are connected, your Shopify products will sync with a catalog in Facebook's Commerce Manager. In your Shopify admin, navigate to the Facebook and Instagram section and click on Overview. Here, you'll see the option to view products. This is where you get to choose which products you'd like to feature on Facebook and Instagram. Simply select the desired products, then click on More Actions and opt for Add Available Channels. Choose Facebook and then hit the Make Products Available button. It's essential to remember that Facebook will need to review your products. Once they're approved, they'll become visible in your catalog and readily available in your Facebook shop for customers to browse and purchase. The final aspect to consider is managing your catalog. This management happens directly in Facebook's Commerce Manager. It's an intuitive space where you can add, remove, or edit products as you see fit. Additionally, you can customize your shop's appearance to fit your brand's aesthetic perfectly. If you wish to add products manually or even use a data feed, you'll find these options in the Commerce Manager's Items section. Taking charge of these management tasks ensures your shop remains dynamic and up to date with your latest offerings. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you'll efficiently add your Shopify products to a Facebook catalog, unlocking new potential for your business across major social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online store.